Okay, guys. Over the last few days, I've been really looking at what we're going to do with YouTube and taking a look at all the changes they're making. I'm looking at different options, but unfortunately, it looks like we've gotten to the point where it's going to change a lot. Okay, so we're going to have to do different things with the YouTube API. Um, it's not going to be a thing where you're going to have some YouTube plugins, just specific YouTube plugins that are they're still going to have free versions, but they're going to be severely limited. Okay, and then you're going to have to buy a professional version, which is a paid version, to be able to use it at its fullest extent. And this is just something that happens. Google, they're not just letting people get information from their API all day long free anymore. So, but anyway, what I want to talk to you about right now is on your shopper portal site. So if you look at your shopper portal site, you're going to see this particular. This is what it's going to look like. Okay. Now your shopper portal sites uses TubePress. TubePress is a plugin that's been around for a long time. The guy did a great job with it, but it's not the same anymore. Okay, so here's what's going to happen. TubePress they've done what most everybody's going to do, and they have limited the use or limited what the plugin can pull from YouTube. Okay, they still offer a free version, but it's going to be just a free trial version. And on like for your videos pages, you're only going to be able to see 3 videos. Okay, used to you could display as many videos as you want, and that's not happening no more unless you get a professional version. So this is going to affect pretty much all YouTube plugins, depending on how it's used. It's going to affect the auto posting as far as different plugins that use the YouTube API. Okay, so keep that in mind. Things are going to change with this. So I'm going to show you what you're going to need to do to show at least 3 videos on your shopper portal sites. Okay, I'm going to give you the download for the new TubePress plugin. You can just download it. And I'm also going to give you a link where you can go and download it from the person's page. Okay, so what we're going to need to do is you're going to need to log into your shopper portal sites or any site that you have TubePress as the plugin running. Okay, so you're going to go to plugins and you're going to come down to TubePress and you're going to just deactivate it. We need to take it off. Okay, this plugin is not going to be as of right now, it's not in the I don't think it is anyway, it's not in the WordPress repository for plugins. Okay, so you're going to deactivate the plugin and you're going to come down and delete it. So just go ahead and delete it. Okay, so you're going to go to plugins and add new, and we're going to have to upload the version 4. Okay, so it's going to have to be TubePress's version 4 now, so you're going to have to upload version 4. You have to download it from a site first and then upload it. So we're going to go to upload, and we're just going to browse and upload version 4. Okay, so the version right now is 4.18. We're going to click install, and we're going to go ahead and activate it. Now what we're going to do now is go back and it should save all of our settings, so we're going to go back and just refresh this and see if we need to make any other changes. Okay, so we got the YouTube bad request. Okay, so let's go take a look. Okay, so we're going to go over to, we're going to take a look at feed. Okay, we're going to come down to YouTube and put in our API key. Now the old version, version 3, is not going to work, so you have to have this version, and we're going to put in our API key. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to, as far as getting your YouTube API. Okay, so I'm going to give you a link. Okay, so it's the developers console at Google. Okay, so the link, you're going to go to that link, and I'm going to show you how to create a new API key. Okay, so what we're going to do is when you get logged in to Google, you're going to go to create a project. Okay, you're going to give your project a name. Okay, so just give it a name. It's just for you. So, and you don't need to change this. It's just generated. Okay, and we're gonna click create, and it'll create the project for you. Okay, Now here's what we're going to do. You'll see it down here and it'll start rotating, and then it will refresh. Okay, so now you're on your project. Okay, so here's what we have to do. We have to go to APIs and click on APIs. Okay, once you click on APIs, we're going to go over here to YouTube, and we're going to go to YouTube Data API. Okay, and we're going to click on Enable API. Okay, so once you have that enabled, now we're going to go down to Credentials, and where it says Public API, we're going to create a new key. We're going to end up creating both probably, but so here we go. We're going to click. Let's go ahead and start a browser key. You don't need to put anything in here, so we're going to click Create. Okay, so it will create an API key here for you. We're going to take this API key. We're going to copy that to our clipboard. Come back over to TubePress and paste that in. Okay, now at this point, we're going to come down and save, and then we need to refresh and see what's going on. Okay, so we refresh the site, and it looks like the videos are going to come up now. Okay, my internet is just running a little bit slow, but there's our video. And again, it looks like my page didn't load all the way, but here's the videos. So it looks like, let me refresh this. I'm not sure what we got going on here. Now we got some issues going on. I'm gonna have to take a look at this and see if it's plugin specific, but anyway, you'll know that your API is working, but just keep in mind we have some issues here. I don't know if they're just for me on my site or what, but that's how you're going to fix your videos. Okay, now just to show you your video page, okay, so this is your videos and it's a page. Okay, so in Pages, okay, you'll see all the pages here. So if we just go to the last page, each one of these has a TubePress shortcode on. So if you just go take a look at videos. Okay, so we take a look here, and you can see that we got some shortcodes. So apparently, I don't know what went in here, but what we're going to do is, usually we just have the shortcode TubePress. Okay, so let's just update that and see what we got going on now. The shortcodes may be different now, so I may have to change that back, but we're going to take a look. Okay, well that didn't matter, so you don't have to worry about that, but the shortcode is on your pages. So let's go back to TubePress, and I'm going to go back and take a look at some of these settings. Okay, so that's a little bit better. We got our thumbnails showing down here, but you can see we're only getting basically 1 in 3 videos. So okay, let me just show you what we did. I went ahead and went over to the theme, and I changed it, and I changed it to YouTube clone. It was set on default. Okay, so I just went and put it over to YouTube clone and saved it, and that brought up our thumbnails and our videos. So we should be okay. Okay, so that's how to get your videos working on your Shopper Portal sites. Thank you.